ABC item classification page applies the classic Pareto principle to your warehouse. The idea that a small share of items drives most of the activity. It sorts your items into 3 tiers by how much they contribute to a chosen basis. A is the items making up the first 70%, B the next 25, and C the final 5. And it draws the cumulative curve so you can actually see the concentration. By default, it's classified by pick lines. This is where does my labor go? Look at the split. Our A class is 82 items, about a third of the catalogue, and they drive 70% of all our picks. The lamp, the rim, the bushing set, the loudspeaker, those are your workhorses. Meanwhile, the C class is over 90 items, nearly 40% of the catalogue, and together they account for just 5% of the work. That's a whole argument for not treating every SKU the same. Your cycle counting, your prime slotting, your supervision should be concentrated on that vital A group. And the C list, right here, is your shortlist of candidates for destocking or discontinuation. The Pareto chart on the right makes it visual. The bars are each item's pick lines. The line is the cumulative percentage climbing all the way up to 100 as I scroll along the plot as so. Now here's a moment I really want you to see. Watch what happens when I change the basis from pick lines to cubage balance. The A class collapses from 82 items down to just 5. 5 items, and they're mostly our bulky SKUs, and they account for nearly 70% of the volume sitting in the warehouse. So by labor, your important items are one set. By space, they're a completely different and much smaller set. Pick lines tell you where your effort goes. Cubage tells you where your space goes. And weight tells a similar story. Again, just a handful of heavy items driving most of the load. So there's 3 lenses on the same catalogue, and great warehouses manage all of them. You can classify by quantity handled, by put away lines, by weight, whichever decision you're making. ABC analysis helps you focus your time, space, and resources where they'll have the biggest operational impact. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope this was useful.